Come on, Ziggy, say it. Come on, you can. You can. Ziggy. Everybody's still staring. Everybody's still staring, baby. Good. Go ahead.
Come on. Taking a picture of this one. This is the perfect thing.
Come on, come on. Let's take him to the tube there. Wait, is he all buttoned up? It's not funny anymore.
No. Thank God I did it first.
You have to hop in.
He's just gonna walk like
You just... That is so cute. He's gonna have to say anything. I'm not taking pictures.
You should. The whole cast.
Yeah. Come on, Humner. You can do it. Come on. Just
The whole outfit.
Yeah, the whole outfit.
They even put on a mustache.
Yeah. Come on.
I got too much hair.
So?
So what? So does Mario.
You want to put it on? Seriously, come on. Why don't you put it on?
Come on.
It's supposed to be a little like that, yeah.
Bye. You better come back. Come back, kid. Come back. Better go there.